Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you all what I have here. I have these little 5-watt lights, and if you see I have some of these lights up here, I'm going to unscrew this and we're going to replace it with some colored lights. So let's check out these and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. These are little 5-watt bulbs, and check it out, how colorful are these. So let's say I want to have, I don't know if this is blue, but I can just screw it into my old light socket, so it's going to fit into a traditional regular American light socket. And look at that. Now I've got blue on that one. And let's say if I wanted to do, I don't know, what is this, red, I think? We're going to try red over here on this one. So if I unscrew this one here, I'm going to move this light out of the way. So, and then I can go and put the red one in here if I get it lined up. And there we go. So now I have colorful lights. How cool is that? Super easy to do. So if you want to have a festive place, and you've got a total of 6 of them, so you've got all these other colors here, you can see those colors. So if you want to have a super colorful festive location, you can just switch these out for a party and switch back in your old ones when you're done or something. So these are super cool, so super easy to do too. So thumbs up for sure.